Fun in Glasgowing! Fun in Glasgowing! Fun in Glasgowing!
No fun in Glasgow. This is Avery Sandman's holiday, not fun in Glasgow's holiday.
Fun in Glasgowing!
I can't even see your shirt, Fun in Glasgow. You could be anybody.
Fun in Glasgow, 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 Glasgow. Fun in Glasgow, fun in Glasgow, fun in Glasgow, Glasgow and fun.
Come on, gang.
No, just leave the brush alone. The brush gets scared. Doesn't like boys like you. Vicious.
It's my gang. Look at my gang. It's good.
Eek. I'll put it on my arm just in case I drop it if these boys jump at me again. I'm scared of boys.
Gosh, really getting through my food. Be careful. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, that's probably enough video. I just want to get a video of them following me like that. I think you probably capture it. Hello. Oh, the brush has all the food.
No, I've not got anything. You don't like the brush. That brush is scared. Eek, when I'm jumping on you now.
Okay. That's wild. You're all wild. There's not really much food left at this rate. There's a cord in my shoe. I hope you don't know.
A little funny rams there. These are mainly goats. Where's all the Bambi? So there's a Bambi. That'll do for a fed. Oh!